So I'm going to show you a pattern called Tipple, or in free motion quilting, we often call it Pebbles. So it's a way of drawing circles in quilting. We know that if we draw circles like this with our pen, we can lift our pen, but in quilting, the needle doesn't move. So it starts with a simple circle in one direction. You're going to do that circle and then follow through like a number 8 in the other direction. So it's starting with a circle, twisting over to a number 8, and then we're going to do another number 8 in another direction. So starting with a circle, a number 8, another direction, and following through. But as you see, as we do the number 8s, it ends up being a line of 2 circles. So let's take a look and see how we can make it into different directions. So we've done the number 8. This one is we're going to start with a circle in one direction, do the number 8, but I'm going to trace halfway up to get to the top. I'm going to do another number 8, trace halfway up to the top, a number 8. So this gets me going in a line, or it can get me going in another direction if I want to trace more of that line. So let's see what that looks like when we put it together. Starting with a circle, a number 8, another circle going in the other direction, a number 8. I want to change my direction and fill in over here. I'm going to trace more of the circle to get it to the place where I want to do it. So it's a matter of going slowly and smoothly and thinking ahead of where you want the next circle to go, and always going in that number 8 pattern. So there's Tipple and Zentangle when we can lift our pen, and Pebbles in free motion quilting when that needle doesn't move. Practicing on a whiteboard first is often helpful to get your mind into the fact of the actual pattern by saying it in your head. A round and an 8. A round and an 8. Always in that 8 fashion. And the benefit of this, if something doesn't go right, simply erase and start again. And let's try the chain of circles by going halfway around and back up. And a group of them. By having combinations of 8s and coming around part way through some of them. And when you can do it without basically thinking or saying the steps in your head, you're ready to start with your needle.